Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to give a high-level overview on some of the main out-of-the-box objects Salesforce offers with the Sales Cloud and what each one represents. What you're looking at right now is the Sales Cloud homepage. You can see at the top navigation bar that there's an opportunities object, a leads object, an accounts object, and a contacts object, along with the various other objects that come out of the box. The four I just highlighted are the main four objects that you'll most commonly use in the Sales Cloud. So before I explain what each object's purpose is, I'm going to quickly explain the sales process flow. Typically, when you start a business, you start with 0 customers. Every person that comes into your store or visits your website is a potential customer. If a potential customer shows interest in your product or service, but hasn't purchased your product or service yet, they would be considered a lead, and we would store that information in a lead record. To give you a good example of what a lead would look like, think of cell phone providers. You may go to various providers to see which provider has the best plan or the best deals on the newest smartphones. As a customer, you have an interest in purchasing a product or service from those providers. Therefore, you're considered a lead until you decide on that provider that you want to go with. Other examples of potential customers becoming a lead is signing up for a free account on a company's website, filling out a form at a conference that you attend, downloading a buyer's guide, giving your information at a trade show booth, and the list goes on. Leads can remain leads for 5 minutes or 5 years. Every individual should be entered into a system as a lead if they show any kind of interest in your product or service. Once a lead decides that they want to purchase the product or service your company is selling, you would then convert that lead into an opportunity, an account, and a contact. An opportunity stores all the deals or transactions that occur between your company and a customer. An account represents the business that's doing the purchasing or an individual that's purchasing, which would be called a person account. A contact represents the individual or individuals that represent the company doing the purchasing. Person accounts are a specific feature that can be enabled in Salesforce that essentially combines an account and a contact record into one record. But to keep this simple, just know that an opportunity is the sales transaction, aka the start of the sales cycle. An account represents the business or entity doing the purchasing, and the contact is the individual or individuals representing the company or entity in the purchase. I wanted to add, there are going to be scenarios where a potential customer is never logged as a lead in Salesforce because they skip that part by immediately buying the product or service they're interested in. In this case, those customers would be logged as an account, opportunity, and contact. That's all I have for this video. There are many other objects that the Sales Cloud has to offer, but understanding the four I went over today is an important foundation for learning the rest of the platform. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you give it a like, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you all for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.